Looking for natural remedies to boost your health? Today, we'll explore 5 incredible foods that have been praised for their healing properties. From ginger to celery, garlic to tomatoes, and turmeric, these superfoods might just be the key to curing a range of ailments. Join me as we dive into the world of nature's medicine cabinet. Let's start our journey with ginger. This knobby root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health. Next up, we have celery, a crunchy and refreshing vegetable known for its anti-inflammatory properties and rich nutrient content. Garlic, oh the wonders it holds, this pungent bulb not only adds flavor to dishes but is also renowned for its immune-boosting and heart-healthy qualities. Now, let's explore the vibrant world of tomatoes. These juicy fruits are not just delicious but are also packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making them a powerful ally in maintaining overall health. Last but not least, we have turmeric, the golden spice with a wide array of health benefits. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And there you have it, 5 amazing foods that can work wonders for your well-being. From ginger's digestive aid to celery's anti-inflammatory effects, garlic's immune-boosting power to tomatoes' antioxidants, and turmeric's golden healing properties. Incorporating these ingredients into your diet may help support your body's natural healing processes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible resources, so let's make the most of them. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay healthy.